Welcome! This video will show the user how to use the new PVR features in NPAWorks. To use the additional PVR features, which adds the ability to generate several reports at one time, the user must have access to the menu bar. If you would like access to the menu bar, please contact your support account manager. PVRs can be generated in bulk for the daily service log, parental verification of service, PVR report with subtotals, ATAP SVF, and LA Care. This can help with the efficiency of gathering and sending multiple reports to a funding source. Please note, the existing PVR reports are still accessible via the staff calendar. To begin, start on the main screen of your NPAWorks. Click on the Reports button located on the top menu bar. With the Reports drop-down menu displayed, click on Verification Forms. This will display the Service Log Styles and Options window. Please note, by default, the last report used will be displayed when the Service Log Styles and Options window is opened. Choose a report type you wish to use by using the drop-down menu in the top left corner. The Daily Service Log, Parental Verification of Service, and the PVR report each provides a list of services that have been or will be provided. Note, there will be one report for each combination of client, staff, funding source, and service. The PVR report with subtotals will provide a list of services that have been or will be provided, displayed with the subtotals of total time of the appointments and the applicable mileage. There will be one report for each combination of client, staff, funding source, and service. ATAP SVF and LA Care reports are region-specific options that provide a list of services that have been or will be provided. The date range for all report types is displayed in the top right corner. To change the date range period, simply use the left and right arrows to move the date range forward and backwards. Otherwise, click on the Date Range Options button to display the period control options. It is important to select a base date as the system will calculate the date range from this date forward. You can use a mini calendar to choose your base date. The Range section is where you can choose how many days to be displayed on the report. Please choose either the entire month, half a month, or total days. If you choose total days, you have the ability to select an amount of days between 1 and 365. Click OK to set your selections. Now let's review the new PVR selection options. Please note, the selection options to generate several reports at once are based on report type. Select the Include Makeup Reference Dates checkbox if you would like to include makeup reference dates on the form. Select Show Client's ID with Funding Source UCI checkbox if you would like to display the client ID number. One of the service description source options can be selected to populate in the Description of Service Provided column of the PVR form. Choose Service Name to display the service name of the appointment. Choose Appointment Subject to display the subject line of the appointment on the form. The Other option allows for customization of what is populated by typing into the blank field below. Lastly, the Service Log option will display the information that has been entered on the Service Log field on the appointment. Choose one of the following service location source options to determine where the service location information is coming from. By selecting Service Authorization, the service location that has been entered in the Services tab of the client's record will be displayed. Appointment Location option will display the location entered on the appointment. Choose Other to customize the location by entering it into the blank field. Next, you have the ability to choose one of the following options to select the credential source. Primary credentials is based off of the required credential that has been selected in the funding source record for each service. All employee credentials will display the credentials listed in the Qualifications tab within the staff record. Once again, Other gives you the option to customize the credential information to be displayed on the form. You can use the bulk export options for funding sources, services, agencies, and clients. Note, the bulk export options are defaulted to select all. You can use the selection button to the right of each of these options to choose one, multiple, or all of their respective options. If round values is used, the time of each appointment will either be rounded up, normally, or down. If the format for DDS Behavioral Services is selected, a header stating State of California Health and Human Services Agency and Department of Developmental Services will be displayed on the form. Select Include Funding Source Name to print the funding source name in light gray in the upper right corner of the form. If you would like each service to be listed on different forms, select the Separate by Service Code option. Note, if you choose not to separate by service code, all codes will be printed on one form and will be organized chronologically by date of service. Use the Separate by Vendor ID option to separate the forms by each vendor ID. To add the client's UCI number to the last page of the form, select Add UCI Number in Last Page. If you would like to display the guardian's signature on the last page of the form, select Use Last Guardian Signature. In the Mutual Options portion of the window, select one of the following. Include Non-Rendered Appointments will display non-rendered light green service appointments along with rendered appointments on the form. By selecting Include Cancellation Per Appointment Status Types, RDA reporting option, all canceled appointments per your customized cancellation types will be listed on the form. Once you've made your selections for the desired report, click the Run button located on the bottom right side of the window. By clicking Run, a Generate Reports message will be displayed. This will indicate how many reports will be generated. Click Yes to generate the reports. Click No to cancel the process. If Yes is clicked on the Generate Reports message, the user will be prompted to choose a Save location. You can either select a location to save your reports, or you can create a new folder by clicking on the Make New Folder button located in the lower left corner. Click OK when the desired save location has been selected, or click Cancel to cancel the process. Next, the Choose Save Format window will be displayed. In order to proceed, please select either Combine into one zip file, which will combine all of the reports into a single zip file, or Individual Files, which will keep all of your reports in separate files. A new folder will be created in your chosen save location to ensure your reports are organized. Click Save to start the saving process. Next, the Generating Reports window will be displayed. This will show the progress of the reports being generated and saved. Please note, once you see this window, you can safely close all other windows and continue using NPAWorks. If you try to close NPAWorks or click Cancel on the Generate Reports Progress window, the report cancellation warning message will pop up. If you click Yes, the process will be canceled and all reports that were being generated will be deleted. Click No to close the warning message and to continue the process of the reports being generated and saved. Once all of your reports are generated and saved successfully, the zip generated message will be displayed. Simply click OK to close this message. The folder that was selected as the save location will automatically open. If the zip file save option was chosen, a single zip file will be in the folder. If the individual file save option was chosen, all of the reports will be listed as individual files. Generating the PVR forms has been completed. Now you can email or print out these reports. If you have any questions about using the improved PVR feature in NPAWorks, please contact our support team via email at support@codemetro.com or at 877-796-9883.